Worst of it today. It's only 2 after the morning rain for the same river running from England to Wales. The floodline number 0845 988 1188. Now the radar shows the main belt of rain now moving eastwards through England, though it's bumped up against the Scottish mountains. Now where it's done that, it's turned to sleet and snow. Behind it there are very obvious streaks. They're very small, but they're quite critical. Now, although the sun is out between them, those are thunderstorms, and that, in combination with the rain, makes this afternoon actually pretty dodgy on the roads as it was this morning. However, the strength of winds is pretty high today, still less than Sunday, but at the moment gusts of 40 to 60 miles an hour are happening in southern Britain. They'll keep on throughout the afternoon. The showers themselves pretty heavy anywhere from Wales up to northeast England, though they probably won't get much further east until maybe dusk. The wind, though strong, isn't that cold. You've probably noticed, unless you're in Scotland. Now, it will turn cold later on, tonight in particular, and the difference in temperatures is quite obvious. 5 in Highland Scotland, 9 just south of Glasgow, but 15 in London. Now, tonight's contrast is much the same, frosty in Scotland alone. Tomorrow, in shorthand, could be sunshine and blustery showers. The strong winds diminishing through the southern half of England. The showers may be less here. There'll still be pretty frequent and heavy showers for most of northern Britain. Hail and thunder is possible. Snow again above about 400 metres or so in the Scottish Highlands. Tomorrow's temperatures, I think on the optimistic side, 14 or 15, but I think it'll feel a little bit fresher and still cold in Scotland, but maybe not as bad. But it's Sunday that I was referring to earlier, and the depth of that low is quite great. The isobars are tight, count them. That means strong winds. There's about a 70% chance of this being where it is and as deep as it is, so we are issuing an early warning of these storm force winds, severe gales for Wales and southern England. May shift a little bit. There's a fairly high risk of this being sort of damaging weather, trees down and possibly buildings damaged as a result, even elsewhere in England. So gusts to 80 miles an hour are possible. Southern Britain most at risk at the moment in the forecast, and for Sunday. And if you avoid the wind, well, the rain will spread even further north through Northern Ireland and Scotland, and once it sets in, it'll be there for much of the day. So the weekend ends on a stormy note. Next working week starts off a little quieter.